Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. We have completed 100 words of English in the previous focus series, which we will name as Focus 1. I call this series as Focus 2nd, wherein we will concentrate on another set of 100 words, that is from 101 to 200. So, let's start with Focus 2nd with the first 4 words: any, after, air, also. So we come to the first word, any, A-N-Y, any, anybody, anyone, anytime, anything, any choice, any way, any good. Ask anyone. Anyone home? Is anyone here? I'm full. I don't want any more food. Thank you. Do you have any onions? Yes, there are some. Do you have any onions? Yes, there are some onions left over there. Am I clear on the project? Any questions? If you want any help to cook, please tell. Thank you. I don't want any help. I can manage. Which sari shall I buy? The red one or the blue one? Buy any sari you like. I am too tired. I can't walk any further. Rita can sing better than anybody else in her class. For more information, you're welcome to contact us anytime. The second word is air, A-I-R, air. Fresh air, aircraft, airplane, air conditioner, airflow, air force, aired on TV. Air is a mixture of various gases. Earth is protected by a thin layer of air. All people breathe air. Air is invisible. Open the windows and let in some fresh air. Why will airplanes not fly on the moon? Airplanes will not fly on the moon because there is no air on the moon. The new TV program was aired on channel 122 last night. Hello, what's your name? I'm Rahul. What are you doing? I'm in the Indian Air Force. A big salute, sir. I'm so happy and proud to meet you. When I travel, I prefer to travel by air, means by aeroplane. I prefer to sleep in a room without air conditioner. Air is lighter than water. The balloon is filled with air. The third word is after. After all, after you, after school, after work, after a while, the day after tomorrow, go after, day after day. Nikki always drinks a cup of green tea after lunch. The flower shop in our neighborhood brings in fresh flowers day after day. Repeat the sentence after me. Are you free after school? Let's do the project work after school. Take this medicine after meals. Brush your teeth after each meal. Raju, you have to clean your room. I can't keep cleaning after you. Come and see me the day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow yani parso. Believe in yourself. Go after your dream. The fourth word is also. I also, they also, and also called, also known as. Laila speaks not only English but also Hindi. I can speak Hindi and also Marathi. Ram is a doctor and also a novelist. Navya is not only honest but also wise. Mount Everest is also known as Sagarmatha. When they found the dog on the road, he was cold and also hungry. Shreya is a talented singer and also a fine actress. Hope you all are doing the exercises with the simple fund of practice, practice, practice. Listen to the exercises, repeat with me and say it aloud. Open your mouth and say. That's all for today. Meet you in my next lesson. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration. Be happy always.